Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are creating this look. I might call this a bridal series, I'm not too sure. But it is more kind of pinky, mauve. I have smoked it out a little bit. We are using the Shades of London palette for this. Now this is palette 2 and this is what the palette looks like. It is beautiful. Now it's a 12 pan palette, it's mainly mattes, but it does have two shimmers at the end as well that I still have to experiment with because they look divine. This is your pinky neutral mauve one, and yeah, this is the first palette that I've played with. I absolutely love these palettes. I have fallen in love with them. Honestly guys, you're going to be seeing a full series of these because wow. And if it goes in by this look, then wow. Look at the blend in that eyeshadow. Like, super blendable, super creamy, smooth, pigmented, everything that you want in an eyeshadow palette. So if you want to know how I created this look, then just keep watching. So I'm firstly just going in with the Plouise base and I'm just putting this on my eyelid and I'm making sure it's blended right out. This is just going to give us a good tacky base to lay our eyeshadows on. Then I'm just taking this fine eyebrow pencil. This one is in the shade Soft Brown and I'm just going over my eyebrows with this. We're now taking the Shades of London palette 2, which is the more kind of pinky, neutral kind of mauve shades. Look how stunning this is. This is the amazing Rebecca Ehlers brand, and yeah, I wanted to experiment and play, so I bought the full collection. And we're taking this shade first, and I didn't realise that I still had a little bit of a purple eyeshadow on this brush, so it's looking a little bit more purplier, but then I do go in and blend it all out and stuff and clean the brush. But we're just taking this shade, and this is our darkest shade that we're going in with, and we are making sure that it's blended right out. We are going really soft and really neutral with this. Neutral as in I'm just keeping it like two colours, like a light pink colour and like the darkest one, and we are just mainly blending this eyeshadow look. It's just using a lot of blending. We're not adding loads and loads of colours, we're not packing on the colour. I am going in with a more of a kind of light hand with these colours, and I'm making sure that everything is seamlessly blended. I wanted it a really nice, smooth but pigmented look, and I wanted it to look really, really blended. So this is the kind of look that I'm going for here. So I'm just basically doing a lot of blending in this look. Here is a little swatchy video, and this is what the swatches look like up my arms. You can see the shimmers as well. I haven't really experimented with them, but they look stunning. So this is where we're at with this eye look, and to be honest, all we're doing here is going back and forth and just blending out these shadows, darkening up that outer bit, lightening up the inner area, and basically just really, really smoking this out and blending this right out. Now I'm smoking out that lash line a little bit more and making it a little bit darker. As you can see, I'm just doing the outer area a lot more darker than the inner area, and we're just kind of building up the colours a little bit, but we didn't want to go in with a heavy hand with too much eyeshadow. These eyeshadows are super pigmented. They are really, really super easy to blend, easy to use, as you guys can see. Now I'm just taking a little bit of mascara and I'm popping on a little lash here by Plouise. I'm now just going into my lower lash line and we're just going in with a black liner. Then I'm just taking that dark pink kind of mauve purpley shade, this one right here, and we are just going to smoke out that lower lash line. Now I'm taking like an eyeliner brush first, then I realised that I wanted to really smoke it out, like to have that soft blend, so I just went in with a little fluffy brush and I just smoked that right out on the lower lash line as well. So there basically is just a lot of blending in this look, but if you've ever watched Rebecca Ehlers, her looks are phenomenal. She is a makeup artist. She mainly focuses on bridal, but all her looks are super soft and elegant. So I was trying to kind of incorporate that in this look with how soft it looks, and I feel like I really achieved it because I really enjoyed playing with this eyeshadow palette. Now I'm just taking a quick lip gloss and I'm doing a wee quick lip. You could honestly do any colour to be fair, but I really wanted just to focus on the eyeshadow palette and this eye look and just show you guys what you could create with it. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you guys love it. I really enjoyed playing about with this palette and I can't wait to play about with others. I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you are following, subscribe, all that usual jazz, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.